This programming language is secretly running 90% of your favorite apps, and it's about to transform your business too. Want to know why? Python isn't just code, it's the invisible engine powering the digital revolution, from Netflix's recommendation algorithm to Spotify's music discovery and Instagram's backend. Python makes the impossible possible. Why Python dominates digital transformation. Check mark versatility. Unleashed, build websites, automate tasks, analyze data, and train AI models. All with one language speed to market. Develop 2 to 5 times faster than traditional languages. IBM Python projects deploy 40% quicker. AI and data superpowers. Libraries like TensorFlow and Pandas turn raw data into business gold. Beginner-friendly. Readable syntax means your team learns faster, innovates sooner. Real-world impact. Automated workflows saving 20+ hours per week on repetitive tasks. Predictive analytics identifying customer trends before competitors. Custom chatbots handling 70% of customer inquiries instantly. Seamless integrations connecting legacy systems to modern cloud platforms. The Python advantage, it scales with your ambition. Start small with a simple automation script, evolve into enterprise-level AI solutions, all while using the same intuitive language. Comment Python for my free digital transformation starter kit.